Hi, welcome to Money Making Charts. Today we are going to present the latest market update. But before I do that, let me give you an overview of what Money Making Charts is all about. My name is Jeff. I'm a 30-year veteran trader and researcher. Over the years, I have taken the elliptical cycle phenomenon hinted at by W.D. Gann and George Bayer to an entirely new level. I won't spend time expanding on this since you have come here to view the latest market update, but if you go to moneymakingcharts.com, you can see examples of money making charts and how they can help traders dramatically improve trading performance. The good news is you can try money making charts for 30 days absolutely free. And if you like what you see, for a limited period, we've reduced monthly subscriptions by 50%, now only $29.50 monthly. Thanks for listening. Now the latest money making chart. Hi there. Today is the 1st of September and I'm going to update wheat. Now on the 17th of August we posted a video with a wheat chart in it and we gave you our forecast, and today I just want to follow up with that and show you what happened following that last video release. We released that video when wheat was in this position here and looked like it was pushing up to go to this target 2, but there was the chance that it could fall back, and if it did fall back it would run into the end of this ending cycle here and likely hit target 1. Well, in fact there were no closes above this line, so that meant that wheat was going to run into this ending cycle here, probably supported around this line here, but possibly even going down to make contact with this line here and then bouncing back to finish in target 1. Well, it did actually hit target 1, but didn't actually fall down to this level here, instead tending to gravitate around this line until it got to the end. And at this point here, on Monday, the 30th of August, the close was right on that line, and that indicated that it was likely to fall through, in which case it would probably fall down to these lines here, but we'll see what happens in the next few days as to whether it falls to there or runs up. The trends are generally quite strong for wheat, so we could get a rally from this point here or a fall down to these lines. Of course, a fall down to these lines would create quite a major bottom because this is the lowest support area for wheat in these cycles. Okay, thanks for listening. I add a new update most days showing market situations that I think you will find interesting. But why not take advantage of our free 30-day trial? That way you will see multiple markets updated daily and judge if money making charts can improve your trading performance. To get your free trial now, go to www.moneymakingcharts.com. Thanks for listening. Money Making Charts is an educational service designed to teach traders to interpret the multiple trading tools in the charts. All information is provided for demonstration and educational purposes, not for trading purposes or advice. This is not a solicitation of any order to buy or sell, but is a market view provided by Money Making Charts. Please read the following disclaimer.